Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I share with you guys a tutorial about how you can get emails and phone numbers from Instagram. Today we are going to see how we can use those numbers to make money online through WhatsApp. Before starting the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe our channel to get new videos every week and join our Facebook group Premium Share and have many tools and tricks there. So without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. Suppose you're promoting an offer related to gift cards or free giveaway where people sign up with their emails and you will get lead. So for this, you need to extract those audience phone numbers who are interested in this offer. Watch my previous video, learn how to get phone numbers from Instagram. Now let's see how we can promote or offer them.
Jack Sparrow. Jack Sparrow.
We'll be right back.
As you can see, firstly ask them about the offer. If they show their interest, only then you should share your offer link with them. Because you should not do spam marketing to make money. I hope you enjoy this video. Hit the like button, comment below if anything you want or go wrong. Share this with your friends and keep faith in yourself. Have a great day.